Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how you can add person first name into Klaviyo. Let's jump right into it. First, log into your Klaviyo account and open the email campaign you want to personalize. Once you're inside the campaign editor, make sure your email content is visible. Now look for the personalization icon. You'll usually find it in the top toolbar of the editing section. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear with different personalization options. From the list, go ahead and select first name. This will let Klaviyo automatically pull the recipient's first name from your contact data. Next, you'll need to set up a fallback word. This is important for contacts who don't have a first name saved. You can type something like "there," so your email greeting will still sound friendly, like "Hi there," when no name is available. After setting the fallback, click the Insert button. You'll now see a special code appear in your email, which might look like a tag. Don't worry. Klaviyo will automatically replace it with the actual name or the fallback word when the email is sent, and that's it. Your email is now personalized and ready to go. This simple feature helps make your messages feel more personal and engaging, and it only takes a few clicks.